Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple's biggest iPhone, 15 design changes have already leaked, but the company still had one surprise up its sleeve, revealing that the iPhone 15 will come in 3 new colors. The new colors are italicized, and it is worth noting that light yellow is distinct from the existing strong yellow finish on the iPhone 14 lineup. If correct, the leak would mean that Apple is dropping blue, purple, and the deeper yellow finishes this year. While opinions about Apple's choice of colors will be subjective, the real surprise here is the extent of the changes. Apple tends to change 1 or 2 colors each year, but not 3. Moreover, the decisions here are eye-opening because a market report in March claimed that blue and purple were the most popular color choices for iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus buyers. On the flip side, pink has been the most requested iPhone color for years, and rumors of a bubblegum pink finish first leaked. In March, though, that report also claimed a new brighter blue color would be introduced. Apple has also shown its willingness to bend to customer demand this year by releasing a 15-inch MacBook Air. The finishes of iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models have been subject to similar speculation, with conflicting reports that Apple will release a new hero color in dark red or deep blue. Uncertainty also surrounds the price of the new iPhone 15 range, with leaks claiming prices for Pro models may increase by as much as $200. A new titanium chassis may be a factor in that. More certain are the core upgrades for both models, with iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models getting a next-gen 3 nanometers, a 17 chipset, super thin bezels, upgraded UWB, and a solid-state action button that replaces the mute switch. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are expected to copy the iPhone 14 Pro design and use their A17 chip, while every iPhone 15 model will transition from Lightning to USB-C. Interestingly, my sources were split over the hero color for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, with support for both the dark red finish, first leaked several months ago, and deep blue, only revealed for the first time by Unknowns 21 last week. Whether Apple would release both a deep-read iPhone 15 Pro while also stocking a bright red product red, iPhone 15 remains to be seen. That said, the 2 red shades are very different and would be my personal preference. That is it, guys. Without been said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.